All right, we are here at lesson 13. We are finding the fractional units by determining the whole. All right, so the first thing you need to do is go ahead and pause. Go in and take your sprint for your eighths, and then you can come back. All right, we're going to skip count by fourths again on our clock, starting with 1 o'clock. So you're going to do 1 o'clock, 1:15, 1:30, 1:45, 2 o'clock, 2:15, 2:30, 2:45, 3 o'clock, 3:15, 3:30, 3:45, 4 o'clock, 4:15, 4:30, 4:45, 5 o'clock. Very good job. All right. Let's keep on coming. Get your whiteboard out. Let's see. Or actually, I think you should be able to do these in your head out loud quickly. All right. Say the number sentence and the answer. So you're going to say 4 divided by 2 is?
2.
6 divided by 2 is?
3.
6 divided by 3 is?
2.
8 divided by 4 is?
2.
Good job. All right, on your whiteboard, I want you to draw 1 unit. Label the unit 1/3. Now draw a possible whole that corresponds to the unit of 1/3. So you're going to have one section that's 1/3, 2 sections that's 1/3, and a third one that's 1/3 as well. All right, let's look at our application problem. Davis wants to make a picture using 9 square tiles. What fraction of the picture does 1 tile represent? Draw 3 different ways Davis could make this picture. Go ahead and pause and work on that for me. All right, so here is 3 different ways that he can do this picture. He wants to make a picture using 9 square tiles. What fraction of the picture does 1 tile represent? All right, so 1/9 is what 1 tile represents, and these are 3 different ways that he could make his picture. All right, so grab a index card. They should be on the back counter. You're going to fold your index card to make 4 equal shades, or 4 equal units, Shade and label the first unit. So you should shade this right here. And what are we going to label it?
1/4.
1/4. Each part is equal to what fraction of the whole? And your whole is 1, and each part is 1/4 of your whole. All right. So you're going to flip over your index card so that you cannot see the fraction you wrote. The new card is half of the whole. Outline it in marker. Use your pencil to shade the same amount of space you shaded on the other side. Talk with your partner about how to label the shaded amount on this side of the card. The shaded part is 1/2 because the new whole is different. I see the whole. The shaded part is just half of that. The shaded part is 1/2 of the new whole is different. So changing the whole changed the unit fraction that we used to describe the shaded part. What was 1/4 of the whole card is 1/2 of the new, smaller whole. This time, the whole is an entire rectangle. Trace the outline of your fraction strip and then shade to draw the model on your board. Do this on your whiteboard. Tell your partner how you can figure out what the fraction is that is shaded. I can estimate and draw lines to partition the rectangle. I could fold my fraction strip to figure out the unit fraction. Either way, 2/3 are shaded. Now, use your fraction strip to measure, partition, and label. If each of the outline rectangles represents one whole, then what fraction is shaded? I can fold my fraction strip to measure the parts. I can estimate to draw lines inside the small rectangles and partition each into 3 equal pieces. Then one whole rectangle and 1/3 are shaded, are 4/3. Talk with your partner about why it's important to know the whole. For his birthday, Kyle's mom brought in a cake to share with the class. When she picked up the 2 cake pans at the end of the day, she said, "Wow, your friends ate 3/4 of the cake." Kyle said, "No, Mom, we ate 6/4." Talk to your partner. Who is right? Use pictures, words, or numbers on your board to help you prove your answer. Who is right? So, technically, I think that both of them are right because Kyle's mom is thinking one whole is both cakes, whereas Kyle is thinking each of these as separate cakes. All right, I want you to spend a few minutes working on your problem set for this week. Once you have finished it, then you could go ahead and work on your fraction packets.